Hi everyone, meteorologist Rusty Doc and stuck in the snow. It's Saturday. I'm at home, so this doesn't sound as good as it normally would. But I wanted to get something out there. I've had a few people asking about the snowfall potential over the weekend, into Christmas Day, and maybe even beyond. And I wasn't going to do this until Sunday because there's so much that can change because there's a storm system happening on Sunday, and then part two happens Sunday night into Monday. So I was going to wait, but I was looking at the models, and they might have a good handle on what will happen late Sunday into Monday. And even if they don't, it should only be minor changes because it really depends on what happens on Sunday, which will transpose over to what happens on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So it's kind of like the butterfly effect. What happens down the road happens, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so let's get to it. This is, I'm going to transition out of the snow and all the way up into the corner. Now here we go. All right, so now I'm a little rusty up here at the top corner of your screen. Here's kind of an overview of what's going to happen with, this is just one model, but this isn't snowfall totals, anything like that. This is just kind of an hour by hour. This is 10:30 Sunday night. Notice the rain still in eastern Nebraska, but snow starting to push in. Very important right here. When does this transition happen? Is it as early as Sunday night, or is it as late as Monday morning? That will be a huge factor. If that rain line pushes west just 50 miles, huge difference in snowfall totals. But this particular model has more snow than anything all the way through Monday. This is Monday afternoon. This is Monday night. This is Tuesday morning, and this is later Tuesday morning. Still a lot of snow to be had out there. So how much snow are we talking? Well, let's go through the different models. Now, we still can't get the short range models because we're not close enough. So that's how far away this whole potential is. But we'll do 2 long range and 2 middle range models. This is the first one, and I'm gonna give you a heads up. Some of these numbers are up there. I mean, look at that: Norfolk, Yankton, O'Neill, Columbus, over a foot of snow. Now, will that happen? Probably not, but there's probably going to be some significant snow. Most models are saying in this area. So this is model number 1. Notice Lincoln, less than 3 inches. But your Grand Island, Kearney, Hastings, quite a bit. And then the further north and east you go, the higher the amounts. So model number 2, similar in position, not quite as much snow, but it still has a good chunk of snow for north central and northeastern Nebraska. Notice Lincoln has a little bit more. This spreads less snow, but further south. And so more snow for those along Interstate 80, anywhere from 5 to 8 or 9 inches of snow. But again, these are long range models. They always overdo it. So let's look at the middle range models. This is model number 3. Notice it doesn't have as much snowfall, but it does have a decent amount for north central and northeast Nebraska. Notice the trend there. North central and northeast Nebraska, the higher amounts. The further south you go, the less you have. This middle range model has Lincoln at 1.5 inches, if that. Less than an inch in York, about 2 inches, 2.5 inches in Grand Island. So this one makes more sense, and it's a better model. It's more exact because it's a middle range model. But then you look at model number 4, which is also a middle range model, and it has higher amounts. It has anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow along Interstate 80, and then that 10 to 15 inches of snow in north central and northeast Nebraska. So does that mean this one is right compared to the other one? Well, that's what we need to figure out. We'll watch these models again tomorrow. But the trend here is north central and northeast Nebraska, and then lesser amounts, smaller amounts the further south you go, but still some significant snow, a possibility, especially in parts of central Nebraska and eastern Nebraska. So this will depend on what happens tonight into Sunday. So we'll probably have to redo this one again and see what the models say 24 hours from now. But for now, I'll post this on all of these social media sites. I'm going to put this on YouTube first. If you follow me there, if you're a subscriber, that would be awesome because I'm trying to build that channel up. And I'm hoping to post there more and more and more so we can do this more often and do the live streams too on YouTube because that's always a blast. But that's the information we have for you now. I'll try to do another one of these on Sunday. Take care. If you have travel plans, make sure you're up to date with the forecast. See ya.